Orthopedics, we get to use power tools. There's nothing cooler than that in the OR, to be able to put someone's bones back together with plate and saws, or replace a joint using the coolest equipment and the newest technology that's out there. I always knew I wanted to go to medical school, and I always knew I wanted to take care of people. I had no prior military experience. You get what's called a direct commissioning when you get into medical school. If you're in the OR, you could have anywhere between 3 to 7 cases of treating fractures that range from hand, foot and ankle, joint replacement, spine surgery, trauma cases. Big deep breath, you're doing great. And one of the things that we're afforded is that we do something called a operational clerkship. We went out and shot M4s, M6s, grenade launchers, 50 cals. We did all this crazy stuff. And then the very next day we got in a T-34, which is a trainer jet. We flew in HM-60s, which are helicopters. And it was nice to see what the patients do with their lives that I get to treat, because I see them in such a limited setting of the clinic or the OR. So my favorite part about my job is being able to take patients who were highly functioning, usually doing their everyday job or activity, or in the Navy, you know, being out as a special operator. They get hurt, they think it's over, and to be able to put their bones back together and take them through that trauma and get them back on their feet and show them that they can reach that high functioning level again, it's amazing.